Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Listen carefully because names on chess.com work in two different ways. Your username is permanent and binds to your account forever. You cannot edit that username from any menu or setting. The site separates username from your display name shown on your public profile. You can edit the display name at will without losing ratings or trophies. If you truly need a new username, you must create a brand new account with a different email address. To change your display name, open chess.com and sign into your account. Click your avatar in the top right to open the menu and choose Settings. Select Profile, then tap Edit Profile to open the name field. Type the exact display name you want and then click Save to apply the change immediately. This alters only the name shown to other players and preserves every rating, trophy, friend, and membership associated with your current account. If you must have a different username, you need to register a new chess.com account. Use a different email address and choose your desired username during sign-up. Be aware that a new account starts with no ratings, trophies, friends, clubs, or game history tied to your old account. You cannot transfer ratings or the username from your old account to the new one. Re-invite friends and repurchase any membership if you want the same subscription.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.